brothers and sisters and Sharons, thank you for this invitation, and I feel very happy to be busy with Tibet issues. My name is Chinese, and today I'm Tibetan. Maybe you are wondering, who is that Chinese lady who speaks out for Tibet? Like just I told you, my name is Chinese. I'm standing here alone, but I tell you, I am not alone. When I was preparing for this speech, I got messages of Chinese friends from the United States, Indonesia, Canada, Australia, France, India, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and also from mainland China. They all asked me to bring their solidarities here for you. I'm asked by Sharon to speak here, especially to Mr. Xi Jinping, leader of China, of Chinese Communist China. That's why I also want to say something to him. I know that they are listening, somewhere they are listening, but they dare not to come. They dare not to come here to discuss with us, to ask why we are here. But I know they are listening. Mr. Xi Jinping, I want to tell you I have nothing against you as an individual person. I just want you to know that I have a big problem with your government, with your Chinese regime, because your regime is a big machine of killing. Your regime has killed 100 million people in China, innocent people. Your regime is killing people everywhere and under every kind of excuses. Your regime is killing Tibetan, Mongolian, Uyghurs, Chinese students, or Christian or Falun Gong practitioners, everybody. Your regime is a big machine of killing. I know, Mr. Xi Jinping, I know that you are also a victim of the Chinese Communist Party. I know that your father's friends, your family are also victims. I don't want to see that your daughter will also be killed by this killing machine. That's why I ask you, Mr. Xi Jinping, to think about it. Think about your future, the future of your daughter. To think about it, about the passion, about patience, about the love of the Dalai Lama, of the Christians, of the Falun Gong practitioners. They are not cowards. They are just kind. They want to give you chance to be good. Because it is cold, I want to say a lot of things, but because of time, I just say this. I want to tell you, I feel proud to talk about Tibet. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Thank you, friends. Thank you.